Hello and welcome to this helpful tutorial. If you're trying to update your username in the X mobile app but aren't sure where to begin, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to change your username easily, directly from the mobile application. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Next, tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. Then scroll down and tap on Settings and Support. After that, select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Now tap on Your Account. Following that, choose Account Information. Then tap on Username. Finally, type your new preferred username and tap Done to save the changes. That's it. You've now successfully changed your username in the X app. If this video helped you out, feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tech tutorials. See you next time.